to give me the ultimate in brass canceling, anti-orange, taken care of business, anti-warmth that we've got in the whole entire assortment. You have found the most beautiful platinum icy vanilla toner, or you've nailed that beautiful lived-in copper or jewel tone kind of orangey copper, but the client comes back and says, I still see yellow, or it's not red enough. In the back of most demi-permanent books, you'll have an assortment of what we call our boosters. We've broken them up between our neutralizing boosters and our tone enhancing boosters. So you see we've got gold, copper, red, violet, violet. You use these to enhance what you've got in the formula that you've already perfected. Now, this is no surprise to anybody who's watching this video right now. This is our life. Here's where the concentrates, the boosters, the neutralizing, everything that we're talking about right now, they don't live in the color wheel. Why? Because they don't have level. Meaning, if I had something gold and it lived in the color wheel, that would be a level 9 gold, level 7 gold, level 3 gold. These concentrates live on the outside of the color wheel because they do not have level. We'll show you an example. Take, for example, the boosters we've got on the sheet here. 0-88. This is a level nothing, pure red. So what we're showing you here is this 7-88 swatch. It's a level 7 red on a blonde. But you think, I just want it to be a little punchier. We take our 7-88 and add 0-88 red concentrate to that, and you get something that's more reflective. And this applies to things that are gold, copper, red, violet, you name it. Opposite side of the color wheel. I've got that beautiful platinum. I've got that icy kind of smoked out gray tone, but I just wish it had more. We have 8-19, a level 8 blue, violet. This is a beautiful shade for knocking out brassiness, any sort of like fashion shadow root. It's a stunning shade for like a lot of coolness. But if I want more, I could take my 8-19 and add 0-11. Why? Because this is my anti-yellow concentrate. So I can take that 8-19 and make it more neutralizing. And if I really want to pull out all the stops for canceling out warmth, I have my 0-22, which you can see here we've added also to the exact same 8-19 shade to give me the ultimate in brass canceling, anti-orange, taken care of business, anti-warmth that we've got in the whole entire assortment. Wow.